A grand spectacle of engineering and ambition, the RMS Titanic set sail on her maiden voyage, a testament to mankind's mastery over the sea. Built by the illustrious White Star Line and designed by the visionary Harold J. Wilde, she was hailed as the largest and most luxurious ocean liner ever constructed. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic departed Southampton, bound for New York City. Aboard her decks, a diverse assortment of passengers, from the aristocrats of Europe to the hopeful immigrants of Ireland, eagerly anticipated the adventure that lay ahead. Yet, as the vessel cut through the icy waters of the North Atlantic, an unseen enemy lurked beneath the surface. Unbeknownst to the crew, a massive iceberg awaited the Titanic's path. On April 14, the Titanic struck the iceberg at 11:40 p.m. The impact shattered her hull, sending a wave of terror through the ship. The Titanic, once a symbol of man's triumph over the sea, was now confronting her greatest foe. As the ship began to sink, the crew scrambled to save as many lives as possible. Women and children were to be prioritized, a decision that would prove to be both a beacon of hope and a heart-wrenching reminder of the tragedy to come. Lifeboats were launched, but not nearly enough to accommodate the thousands on board. The Titanic's band played on, a poignant soundtrack to the unfolding disaster. By the early hours of April 15th, the Titanic had disappeared beneath the waves, taking with her over 1,500 souls. The world was left in shock, mourning the loss of lives and the end of an era. Yet, from the ashes of tragedy, a spark of resilience emerged. Survivors told tales of heroism and sacrifice, of strangers becoming family in the face of adversity. The Titanic's sinking would forever change the way ships were built, sailing routes were planned, and lives were lived. In memory of the Titanic, her legacy lives on, a bittersweet reminder of man's capacity for both grand ambition and heart-wrenching loss. The story of the Titanic is not just a tale of tragedy, but also a testament to the indomitable human spirit that refuses to yield, even in the face of the iciest of oceans.